Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, not Google, system. Then language and input, languages, add a language. Here you can see the whole list of the available system languages. As you can see, it's pretty decent. So let's pick, for example, Ukrainian, and then to set Ukrainian as your display language you have to drag it on top like this, and after that language will be changed to Ukrainian. So if you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then go to Система, Мова та ведення, Мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.